Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. I'm pretty excited because tomorrow I get to leave for Yosemite. I'm leading one of our groups on our Yosemite winter photo adventure, and everyone asks me, so Mark, what do you take on a trip and why do you take it? So this is what I'm taking. This is my camera bag, and a camera bag is very personal because it needs to fit your body and it needs to fit your gear. So this is my new bag, the Mindshift First Light 30. It's a 30-liter bag. This bag comes in a 20-liter and a 40-liter. The 40 is what I'm taking to Africa. The 30 is what I'm taking to Yosemite. In this pocket here, I have jacket, gloves, snacks. Over here, I have my water bottle, and then this is where my tripod will strap on to this kit, to the bag. In the front, you've got two big pockets to throw a raincoat and stuff like that in there. It's an awesome bag because it carries what I want for my trip to Yosemite. So let's take a look inside and we'll talk about what's inside the bag. So first thing up here in the top, extra battery for my camera and a Think Tank Pixel pocket for my memory cards. A wired remote control. So many of you want to use the app or a wireless device to fire your camera. Those are not reliable when you're shooting landscape photography or night photography. Got to get a wired remote release. It's very important. They're not that much money. Throw that in your bag. Also in my bag, it's a bunch of stuff here. I'm just showing you the highlights. The Hoodman Lens Cleanse, the best lens cleaner on the market. I use these everywhere. They're awesome. It's enzyme based. Just a great lens cleaner. Also, what's in my bag? A Rode microphone. So this is the Rode VidMic Pro Plus. Why do I have a microphone? Because I'm shooting video. And if you're shooting video, you need a microphone. Using the microphone that's in your camera is going to produce where this is going to produce clear, great sound. Always have a microphone if you're going to be doing video. Hoodman Loop. Why the Hoodman Loop? Because the Hoodman Loop allows me to see the back LCD screen of my camera even in the bright sunshine. So I can check focus, check exposure, check and see what I've done. Because I'm always evaluating and reevaluating what I'm doing in the field. Filters. So in this kit, screw-in filters. I have polarizing filter, 3-stop and 9-stop neutral density for the two sizes of lenses that I have in my bag. Why the polarizing filter? To take the glare away, to take the sheen away. Why a neutral density filter? To slow down the water and give me that milky water effect. And in here, I have graduated neutral density filters. What are graduated neutral density filters? They're split. They're half toned, half dark, or half colored to make the sunset pretty, to make the skies pretty. And I use a graduated filter when I'm shooting with mixed light. So I've got sun in the foreground and shade in the background. I need to darken the sunny part. Or it's at sunset and the sun is still up on the top of the picture and it's dark in the foreground. We can equalize those by using a graduated neutral density filter. So what about my camera kit? Well, the camera kit depends on you. I happen to be loving my Nikon Z, so this is my Nikon Z7 kit. So I have Nikon Z7 with a 24-70 lens. This is my go-to lens, my go-to kit. So 46 megapixels, great in low light. The 24-70 2.8 is awesome, super sharp lens. This lens I'm probably gonna shoot 70% of my pictures on the trip. Notice how it just goes right in there, nice and flat. You also notice I have the Peak Sling Light strap on my camera. I also have a second Nikon Z7 with a lightweight Peak strap on it. So this one has the red tape on the top of it because this is my secret weapon. If I tell you what it's for, I'll have to kill you. Actually not. This is my infrared camera. So I have a Nikon Z7 that's been modified to do infrared photography. If you want to learn about infrared photography, we're doing a workshop in May. It's amazing for landscape and people photography. I love infrared. It gives a completely different look to my pictures. My second lens, Nikon 70-200 f 2.8. Awesome lens. This is going to be for details and distance shots. 14 to 30 wide angle lens for doing the big scenes and the big vistas, and a 1.4 teleconverter that turns my 70 to 200 into a 300 millimeter or nearly 300 millimeter lens. So that's what I've got in my camera bag. If you need help figuring out any of this stuff, come on down to Paul's Photo. That's what we do here. We're here to help you learn. If you want to really learn how to work this, come out on one of the trips with us. Come to boot camp, come to intermediate, come to advanced photography class. If you want a kit just like this at Paul's Photo, we'll hook you up today with the best price in town, the best price on the internet, and the right information so you're going to get the pictures you want. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, wishing you happy New Year's, happy photography, and get the pictures you want. Life's too short to make bad pictures.